Hello guys, review Samsung Galaxy M35. This version 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. Open box and look complementation. In complementation we have only cable Type-C to Type-C for charging. And that's all. And key for SIM slot, of course. That's all complementation. Phone in the dark blue color, and that's all. Okay, now talk about phone. We have plastic body, triple camera, on this side power button and volume button, power button with fingerprint scanner, downside Type-C port and speaker, device without headphones jack, on this side slot. Okay, display 6.6 inch, open settings and look Android version. We have One UI 6.1, Android version 14. Okay, and now open Geekbench 6. We have CPU Samsung Exynos 1380 octa-core processor 4+4 cores, and GPU Mali G68. Display we have Super AMOLED 120Hz Full HD Plus resolution. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Okay. Now open Antutu benchmark. Antutu benchmark results very good, and run GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas works on the max graphic level. Very good gameplay. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.